Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair guys. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel guys. If you have a Ford vehicle, today's video will be super helpful to you guys. We'll show you how to remove and replace brake light switch. We'll demonstrate on a Ford Focus, but the same procedure will apply to multiple Ford vehicles guys. Almost every Ford vehicle you can think of. Now, quick introduction guys, we'll have more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Hopefully guys, we can save you some money. This is what we have here guys, a 2012 Ford Focus, but as I said, that will work on multiple vehicles such as Fusion guys, even the Escape, Edge, F-150, quite a few vehicles guys will use that design. And if you need to buy a new switch or anything like that guys, we'll have the link in the description of the video below to see where we buy all our parts from. That way you can find it easy guys. What you need to do, okay, it's pretty simple guys. Okay, you go underneath, okay, where your brake pedal is located. Okay, and check this thing out now. Okay, that blue thing that you have, okay, let me actually resituate the light a little bit. Okay, so you can see even a little bit, okay, a little bit better what I'm talking about. Okay, now that blue thing that you have guys right here, it may be blue, it may be black, it really depends, but most of them are blue. Okay, is your brake light switch. The only thing that we need to do now first, okay, is disconnect the wire by pressing in here and pulling it out. Now I need to do that guys by holding it with two hands. Okay, so I'll go ahead, get it loose, okay, and we'll continue. So what you can do guys, okay, right there, okay, you can press with your finger and pull it out, or you need to press on the bottom with the screwdriver and pull it out, and you disconnect the wire. Now in order to remove the switch, you grab it, turn it clockwise and pull it out. Okay guys, and this is your switch guys, out of the way. Now you can see how simple that thing was, right? Now when you're ready to install it guys, okay, all we have to do, okay, you need to grab it now, okay, get the new one. Let me show you. Get the new one. Now there is a special slot where it goes to. Okay, and now you need to find the right position guys. Okay, right there, turn it clockwise, and all you got left now, okay, is connect your wire. Okay, and this could be a little bit tricky sometimes. Okay, perfect. Wire is connected as well guys. So that's how you guys do it. That's how you guys remove and replace brake light switch on Ford vehicle. Hopefully guys the video will be helpful to any of you doing that work. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe to the channel guys for more videos and see you guys next time.